Hello guys, it's Antika. Welcome to my channel Pen Divine. Today I'm gonna try a very new thing to me, which is texture art, which is very easy itself, but I have never tried before. So I'm very excited. Here I am making three art pieces one by one, and this is part one. First of all, I'm drawing first on my drawing book so that I can have sort of idea, and then I will copy on my cupboard. You can directly draw on your canvas. This is totally your choice. You can draw whatever you want to do. Is totally up to you.
So.
Once this is done, I will cut the cupboard. These are the most common things we can find in our home. Here I am using tissues on the cupboard as a base, and then I blend all the tissues paper for texture painting. Now for the first art piece I choose the flower design. Now here you need to follow some basic steps which is again very easy to follow. Apply glue and then the paste. For texture I use white, sky, indigo and red. One thing you must remember that you need to drench all the water first and then you will apply the paste. In my case, there was still some water in a red color paste, so you can see what was happened. But don't worry, it will not hamper your painting. Here I am pasting all the color according to my choice with the help of glue. This is very interesting to attempt, and honestly I am loving this process as this is so satisfying. This is the long process. So enjoy this video with music. What I thought before that I changed later because the space was not enough to show my design. That's why I changed it. But you can see
The green color enhances the coloring effect.
I think I made a right decision. What you will say? Please suggest me. If you have anything to say, please feel free to comment in the comment box or you can follow me in the Instagram. And this is ready. If you guys like it, then please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.